Well, the former Principal Secretary of the Kerala Chief Minister's Office, M. Shivashankar, has now been granted bail in the dollar smuggling case. Now, the dollar smuggling case came to light during the investigation into the Kerala gold smuggling case, and it involves P.S. Sarith and Swapna Suresh, both who are the key accused in the gold smuggling case as well. What is being pointed out so far by the Customs Department is that the investigation is still underway, and the former Principal Secretary may be in a position, if he is granted bail, to come out and destroy the evidence. But what we are getting to know that for now he has been granted bail. Going across quickly to Ashwin for a quick update, because what has been cited so far, Ashwin, the charge sheet hasn't been filed till now, and it was the Customs Department that was not very eager for getting bail to Shivashankar, but now it is being claimed that he has been granted bail. What more do we know?
That's right, Amita. He has been granted bail on the condition of natural justice because the customs has not filed their complete charge sheet in the dollar smuggling case. Now, this particular case is related to rupees 1.3 crore worth rupees, which has been converted to dollar and taken out through the UAE consulate with the help of the prime accused in the Kerala gold smuggling case, which is Swapna Suresh and Sarith Nair. So with regard to this particular case, the bail has been granted to M. Shivashankar. Now, he's already in jail with regard to the Enforcement Directorate case. He's in judicial custody for the Kerala gold smuggling case as well. But right now, he has been granted bail. But once the charge sheet comes, he will be called in for questioning, and he will be. There are chances that he will be again. Arrest will be marked by the Customs Department. Meanwhile, right now he has secured bail, and also from our sources we understand even in the Enforcement Directorate case, he's also trying to get bail in that as well. Back to you, Amita.
All right, keep us updated on the same. Ashwin, thanks very much for the moment joining in. This is the latest update where F. Shivashankar, who is the former Principal Secretary to Pinarayi Vijayan, the Chief Minister to the state of Kerala, has now been granted bail in the case.